are we in my bathroom? Well, today I'm going to be showing you my skincare routine. So, welcome to my bathroom. So, my first step in my skincare routine is I use my Foreo, however you want to pronounce it. It's like this. And it's a little gadget. Can't put that away. Right, a little gadget. It looks like this. It's got like loads of little bristles and like big bristles there, smaller bristles there. And I have the Foreo Luna Fofo. Foreo Luna Fofo. And basically it's so you can connect it with your phone. I would recommend getting one of these. They're really good for your skin. I think it's definitely an investment. But yeah, I would say this one's really good. So, what I do is I use it with a foaming cleanser. So I use this Elemis gentle foaming facial wash. I really love it, and I got it in, I got both these products in the sale actually. So I bought this one around last year, July I think, and it was in the sale for I think 65 rather than 80 or whatever it is, and honestly I think it is worth the money because it's great. And then I got this for 18. Yeah, and obviously it's quite big, 150 mils, so it's lasts quite a while. As you can see, I'm getting through it a little bit. So what I do, how I use my Foreo and the facial cleanser is, I actually put this on my face dry, because on the directions on the back it says massage into dry skin every morning and evening with fingertips. Add warm water to create a luxurious creamy lather, then rinse off. So yeah. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to get about that much on my hands, and all I'm going to do is I'm going to rub my fingers and rub it all over my face. And once it's all rubbed in, I get my Foreo Luna Fofo, which is here, and I wet it, and then I press the button on the back, which is this little button here, the little on button. And then I just move it over my face in circular motions. It has a timer on my one for a minute, but I normally use it for 2 minutes. Right, so now I've done that. I rinse my face with cold water, by the way, to close my pores. My face dry. I don't like to rub or tug up my skin because that's what makes it irritating. So now, my next step is an optional one. It's not for every day, but most of the times I will use. Most of the time I will do this is I'll use a face mask. So these are the eye masks and face masks I will use. The one I'm using today is in the fridge at the moment, so I'll get that in a minute. So I have these two face masks from Sephora, they're the same. It's my favourite one, so it's the Pearl face mask, and it's just like a tissue mask you put all over your face. And this is for perfecting and brightening, and it says enrich with pearl of natural origin. This mask refines skin texture and minimises irregular aspects. Instantly increases natural glow. So I love my skin looking hydrated and dewy. So I love these face masks. But an eye mask that I do love is the Garnier Moisture Bomb Eye Tissue Mask. And this is the coconut water and hyaluronic acid one. And it has a -4 degrees skin cooling effect, so I would put this in the fridge too, just to make it more cooling. And it looks like a Batman mask, or it looks like an Incredibles mask. So it's like an Incredibles mask, put it over your face, and it says you leave on 15 minutes for tired eyes. You want to use one of these?
What are you saying? You're saying I need to?
No.
Awful.
Alright. This is for tight eyes showing first signs of aging. This tissue mask, enriched with coconut water and hyaluronic acid, will leave skin looking firmer and revitalised. The area will feel replumped and tighter. After use of tissue mask, skin temperature is reduced to up to 4 degrees. For extra cooling, keep it in the fridge. So yeah, I love that because I have really dry under eyes, so I love anything that hydrates my eyes. So, I'm gonna go get my eye mask I'm using today out of the fridge, and I will join you then. Right, so I've gone to get my face mask out of the fridge, and it's this one. It's a Sephora one. It's a lychee eye mask, and it says it's moisturising and brightening. So it says it works. Enriched with lychee extract of natural origin and a moisturising ingredient. These masks instantly hydrate the skin, boost the radiance of eye area for the skin that's quenched and visibly sparkling eyes. So this is me. Perfect. This is hard to open, everyone. Oh, there we go. Get the eye masks out. Okay. And I need to remove. So this is what they look like. So you remove the first layer, which is this one, and then you remove the second thing, which is the actual eye mask, and then you place that under your eyes. Oh, it's so cooling. Oh wow, that is real cold. Okay, and then you do the same with the other eye mask. So, I like to push them up so they're right underneath my eyes, because I want to make the most out of them. I like the most moisture and it locks it in. So, it says to leave it on for 15 minutes, then remove and massage any excess product into the skin. No need to rinse. So I'm going to leave these on for 15 minutes and I'll see you then. What I do is I apply exfoliator to my lips. Yeah, so my exfoliator I use for my lips is the best one. Basically, it's made out of sugar and oil. So what you do is you get a tablespoon of oil, I think, and then a tablespoon of sugar. I think I use less oil than sugar, but be careful putting this in your makeup bag, because if you've got a carton like this, it will leak. So because the oil is soaking up into the sugar and then leaking out, so just be careful. Right, so what I do with my sugar scrub is so it will look like this if you're going to use the same one as me. All I do is I just get a bit of sugar on my finger. It might feel like nothing's coming on, but it does. And then I just apply it to my lips. And so the next step is I'm going to take my eye masks off. That's all soaked in, so just to rub the remainder under your eyes. So what I do is I get in the packet and I get the product and I rub it under my eyes like this. And next step is I have two serum options here, and this is the mini version of the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair. And also I have these Elizabeth Arden 7 capsules Daily Youth Restoring Serum, 7 capsules. But today I'm not going to add a serum, I don't feel like it. So the next step after the serum is face cream. My favourite one that I use for every day is the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream, and it has SPF 30 in it. Okay, I'm going to use my Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream. So, but as you can see, I am running out of this. I got it in the sale Black Friday. So I just put a bit of cream on my face. I dot it about. And then I just like rub it in. Next step is my eye cream. And then I've got this Estee Lauder Resistance Lift eye cream, firming and sculpting eye cream. This is amazing. I love it. I bought this when I went to Bicester Village with my cousin in this November. In a set, I've got this. What did I get? I think I got this, an eyeliner or a mascara, and what else did I get? And some kind of serum-y thing that you put on your skin and it like takes it back or something, I don't know. Today I've decided I'm going to apply my Estee Lauder Resistance Lift. Just take the little thing off and literally I just put my finger in, probably about that much, and then put it under each eye and then working from the inner to the outer corners, and then I tap it in just because that stimulates the eye area. So the last step in my routine is lip balm. The lip balm I absolutely love is the Elizabeth Arden 8-hour cream balm, lip balm. All I do is get a little bit on my fingers and I rub it in. It's like a gloss. So if I don't want to wear lipstick, I'll just pop this on, mate. Brilliant. So yeah, that is my everyday routine. I hope you've enjoyed it. Let me know if you use any of the same products or what products you use in your skincare routine and any recommendations. Yeah. And also I get quite red skin, as you can see here, so I don't like to put like too much on. I used a face mask before, a Body Shop one. It was a detoxifying one and it was not great. Thank you so much for watching my video today. I really hope you enjoyed it. I really hope this gave you an insight as to what I do with my skincare. I mean, I'm a skincare guru. I just use what I like, to be honest. I listen to like people online. I really I follow Charlotte Tilbury a lot. Like I listen to all her tips and everything because I just feel like she's great. So I listen to her tips. I look at recommendations that people have said, try them out. Yeah, that's all I kind of really do, really. Please don't forget to like my video, subscribe to my channel, share the video with your family and friends, and yeah, just enjoy life. See you later. Bye.